Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna try to make some super whipped coffee, and I'm super excited because I have been seeing this coffee popping up all over my Instagram and YouTube. So let's get started. So to make this super whipped coffee, you just need three ingredients. So number one is instant coffee, and number two is sugar, and number three is hot water. And just keep in mind that this ingredients must be in 1:1:1 ratio. Now time for whisking. So you need to whisk it 400 times before it can get that creamy like consistency. So yeah, let's see. So I have been counting throughout, and it's like I have whisked for 200 times and still couldn't get that consistency. So I'm gonna whisk some more. Yeah. Oh god, my hand is paining so much. But yeah, hard work makes it even taste better. So let's whisk it even more. So finally my cherry for the coffee is ready, and oh god, it's so perfectly smooth and is super caffeinated and strong.